If Microsoft Defender SmartScreen blocks an app, here's a safe step-by-step fix. You'll see a SmartScreen warning saying Windows protected your PC with the app name. Click More Info to reveal the publisher and the Run Anyway option. Verify the publisher, digital signature, and file location before you proceed. Open Windows Security and navigate to App and Browser Control. Temporarily set Check Apps and Files to warn or use Run Anyway if you trust it. Rerun the installer and select Run Anyway when the option appears. Open the app to confirm it launches and works without SmartScreen blocking it. Return to App and Browser Control and re-enable SmartScreen to block for protection. Only bypass SmartScreen for trusted sources and keep antivirus and Windows updated. Quick recap. Verify publisher, allow trusted app, then re-enable SmartScreen. For more quick Windows fixes, subscribe and keep your PC secure.